Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. And today, I'm going to be talking about Phoebe and Alyssa, the Firework Sisters. Phoebe and Alyssa decided to start preparing for Independence Day a little earlier this year. They need to count how many different products they have left over from last year. They have a list of their leftover products from last year with the quantity that they have left over. They only want to know the product count though, not the total quantity left. Let's try out a function called count in this case. So here you can see that they have their list of product IDs, products, and then the quantity that they still have in stock for each of these. Now you can also see if you just select cell B2 through B11 that there's a count down here in the corner. You can see the count is actually 10. That's the amount of rows that we have here, the amount of products they have listed. You can also select cell C2 through C11 and see that the sum is 255. Now these are two numbers that the girls don't want. They're actually trying to figure out the number of products that they have in stock still, but they don't want to know the quantity. They just want to know how many they actually still have in stock. So what we're going to use is the count function. So I'm going to type the equal symbol since that's how functions and formulas begin, and type in count. And now I'm going to actually select cell C2 through C11. And the reason why I'm selecting C2 through C11 as opposed to B2 through B11 is that the count function ignores blank cells. And that's what we want. We want to ignore the blank cells because we're actually trying to ignore the products that we don't have in stock at all. So now you could either type in that last closing parenthesis or press enter and return. It'll automatically add. And now we can quickly and easily see that there's a total of 7 items that are in stock, but it doesn't count the sum of the amount in stock. So this is exactly the information the Firework Sisters needed. As a quick tip as well, if you don't want to use a function, you can actually see down here where it says the sum right next to that, it also gives the count. It does the same thing where it counts how many items or how many cells you have that have data in it, and it ignores any cells that don't have anything in it. It's the same exact thing as the function, but it's just a different way to look for that data. Now the Firework Sisters have exactly the information they need and know how to proceed with any business decisions that they want to address going forward. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the section below. And until next time, have fun excelling.